Hi. In this video, we'll explore the OPF supports of MIRAmax software. OPF supports are primarily used in industrial SLA or LPBF 3D printers. OPF supports minimize support weight and also significantly make post-processing easier. Let's begin. First, we import the desired files. Let's proceed to the Packing and Slicing tab to set the platform to SLA. In the Settings and Help tab, set to Geometric Volume for a faster volume calculation. Switch to Edit and Repair tab. To minimize the overhang area, click on Auto-orient. Preview the changed orientation and then click on Apply. Select a part and proceed to the OPF Supports tab to apply supports. Based on the part type, select the support profile. To make changes in a profile, click on Customize. Mira has tooltips built in for each parameter so that you can review the effect the parameter would have by simply hovering the mouse over the parameter of interest. Let us set the base density to 0. This will give us the most dense supports. Click on Save. Finally, click on Apply Supports. The software is now generating a cluster of touch points on the overhang region based on the parameters set, after which it will automatically generate OPF supports. As can be seen, the support density is very high in our case. This shall consume a significant amount of resin. Let us now try to optimize the supports. Click on Customize. Increase the base density to 2. Click on Save. Reapply the supports by clicking on Apply Supports. Mira's proprietary algorithm now reduces supports significantly by optimally clustering lattice supports in a predefined number of stems. Once the supports are good to go, click on Merge Supports to combine the supports and part. Note that supports once merged cannot be edited further. In the Edit and Repair tab, set the material density to calculate the volume and weight of the part and the supports. We will now apply supports to the other part. Proceed to the OPF Supports tab. With the default set parameters, click on Apply Supports. While the support structure is quite optimized for weight, it can be improved further. Click on Customize. Increase the base density to 4. Click on Save. Now reapply the supports by clicking on Apply Supports. Now the support volume has reduced significantly. We now review the sectional view to ensure that all overhang regions are properly supported. Once the supports are good to go, click on Merge Supports to combine the supports and part. Let us recheck the volume and weight of the part and supports in the Edit and Repair tab. The support weight in this case is around 15 times lower than the weight of the part. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you to better understand our OPF supports.